So let's play a game. What if a criminal gang robbed a Nike store tonight? Best case scenario for them? Maybe they get away with what, 100 grand worth of merchandise? Nike calls their insurance company, Travelers cuts a check, store reopens the next day. Done. Now compare that to what just happened. The Russian cybercrime gang World Leaks stole 1.4 terabytes of data. No guns, no getaway car, no risk. And the damage? Exponentially worse. See, insurance doesn't cover our competitors now have our design files. There's no policy out there for counterfeiters in China just got our factory processes. Legal fees get paid, sure, but your brand's competitive advantage? That's possibly gone forever. This is why cybercrime operates at a completely different scale than physical crime. Physical theft is capped by what you can carry out of the store. Digital theft? Unlimited. One guy with a laptop can steal more value in an afternoon than any mafia captain's crew could rob in a lifetime. And what will this teach small to mid-sized business leaders? Who knows? Most companies don't even know that they've been hit until way too late afterward. Good luck with that. Not all breaches are created equal. Follow us for more updates on this Nike breach as the case develops. This is Cybercrime Junkies.